Hi, I'm Amy Foster. I'm with the City of Coralville. I'm the city's Stormwater Coordinator, and this is our Fen Prairie Restoration Project. So here we have about 20 acres of fen and prairie, and then we also have a 60-acre timber stand improvement project that we've worked on. We've done this work with McClure Engineering, and Aaron has helped us to design restoration plans and fixing fens that were dewatering, and helped us with our seeding plan and engineering documents for our construction projects. A large component of this project is our fen restoration. So this fen restoration work was done 2 years ago because we had a large gully running right through the middle of this fen or wetland complex. The gully was 12 foot deep, 20 foot wide, and up to 50 foot wide at the end. So this gully had been taking sediment and moving water very quickly through this property and causing destruction for probably decades. Once the city purchased this land, we knew we had to do some restoration work, and a big part of that was fixing this gully. There aren't a whole lot of example projects that show gully restoration work being done or fixed within a wetland fen environment. So we worked with McClure to come up with designs that would use bioengineering concepts and hydrology to fix this problem that we were having. 2 years later, we're very happy with the results. The project's holding together, the vegetation looks great, and this is the beginning of what will be a future city park.